The Emirates Business Class Lounge at Dubai's Concourse A is huge. Just like the first class lounge, it runs the entire length of the terminal, and business class passengers board their flights directly from the lounge. Due to its size, the lounge is like a mini airport itself. According to this map, it would take you 12 minutes to walk the entire length of the lounge. Running would be quicker, but that's not encouraged. My first stop between connecting flights is always the showers. My tip is to do this first because during busy times there can be a wait of up to 20 to 30 minutes. After a shower, it's time to sit down for a coffee, check the emails and have a bite to eat. There are various facilities available, including charging stations, computer workstations, prayer rooms and a smoking room. You can even get your shoes polished. And for the best shoe shine, you've got to come and see Chris at his Bay Hood. How are you? The main areas of the lounge can get busy during the early morning rush hour. However, the size of the lounge means that there are plenty of quiet corners where you can relax in peace. Downstairs at the very end of the lounge is a special quiet zone. This area also has the best views of the aircraft activities outside. And then, when it's time to depart, it's straight onto your flight from the lounge. Thanks for watching. For more reviews, please click on my channel and, of course, don't forget to subscribe.